Hey there, welcome back to Top 8. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-income skills, the golden ticket to making money online. If you've been looking for ways to boost your income, gain financial freedom, and take control of your life, you're in the right place. But before we jump into the secrets of high-income skills, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and give us a thumbs up. That way, you won't miss any of our valuable content on building wealth and financial independence. Number 1. Understanding high-income skills. So, what exactly is a high-income skill? Well, it's a skill that can earn you a substantial income due to its high demand in the marketplace. These skills can be learned and developed, and they often don't require a traditional college degree. Here are some examples of high-income skills: digital marketing, coding, copywriting, graphic design, video editing, etc. The key is to identify a skill that you're passionate about and one that's in high demand. You'll be amazed at how quickly your income can grow when you've mastered one of these skills. Number 2, the benefits of high-income skills. Now let's talk about the benefits of high-income skills. Why should you consider pursuing one? Freedom. High-income skills often allow you to work remotely or even start your own freelance or consulting business, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Earning potential. With these skills, you can command higher rates, leading to a significantly increased earning potential. Job security. High-demand skills are less vulnerable to economic downturns, providing you with more job security. Number 3. How to develop a high-income skill. So, how do you go about developing a high-income skill? Research. Start by researching the skills you're interested in. Understand the demand for those skills in the job market. Online courses. Consider enrolling in online courses or programs specifically designed to help you master your chosen skill. Practice. 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 The more you practice and apply your skill, the better you'll become. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your work to showcase your expertise to potential clients or employers. Number 4, monetizing your skill. Now, let's talk about how to turn your high-income skill into a lucrative income source. Freelancing. Offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Consulting. Provide consulting services in your area of expertise to businesses or individuals. Create your business. Consider starting your own business, offering services related to your skill. Passive income. Explore the idea of creating online courses or informational products related to your skill to generate passive income. Number 5, success stories. To inspire you, here are a few success stories of individuals who turned their high-income skills into financial success. Share real-life examples. Number 6, skill enhancement and networking. Don't forget that mastering your high-income skill is an ongoing journey. Continuously enhance your skill set and network with professionals in your field. Number 7, staying motivated. Staying motivated can be challenging. Keep your eye on your long-term goals and track your progress. Break your journey into smaller, manageable goals to maintain your enthusiasm. Number 8, building multiple streams of income. One of the keys to financial security is building multiple streams of income. Your high-income skill can be the foundation, but consider other ways to generate income, such as investments, real estate, or side businesses. Number 9, leveraging technology. In today's digital age, technology can be a game changer. Explore how technology can amplify your high-income skill. For example, using AI-powered tools can help automate tasks and increase your efficiency. Number 10, time management. Time management is crucial when building your high-income skill. Learn to prioritize tasks, set goals, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Managing your time effectively is key to long-term success. Number 11, diversification. Diversification is the key to financial resilience. While your high-income skill may be your primary income source, consider diversifying your investments. Explore stocks, real estate, or other assets that can provide you with multiple income streams. Diversification reduces risk and can protect you during economic downturns. Number 12, continuous learning. Learning should be a lifelong journey. Even after mastering your high-income skills, stay up to date with industry trends and innovations. Attend conferences, webinars, and read books or articles related to your field. The more you learn, the more valuable you become to clients and employers. Number 13, tax strategies. Understanding tax strategies is essential for maximizing your income. Consider working with a tax professional to minimize your tax liability. You might be eligible for deductions, credits, or exemptions that can significantly impact your bottom line. Number 14, scaling your business. If you've chosen to start your own business based on your high income skill, it's time to talk about scaling. Explore strategies for growing your business, whether it's through hiring employees, expanding your product or service offerings, or targeting new markets. Number 15, the importance of marketing. Regardless of your high-income skill, marketing is crucial. Learn about digital marketing, branding, and promoting your services. Effective marketing can help you stand out in a competitive marketplace and attract clients or customers. Number 16, networking and partnerships. Building a strong network is key to long-term success. Establish connections within your industry, attend relevant events, and consider partnerships with complementary businesses. Collaborations and referrals can significantly boost your income. Number 17, goal setting and financial planning. Setting clear financial goals is essential for your journey to success. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or traveling the world, having specific goals can keep you motivated. Learn about financial planning techniques, budgeting, and how to manage your finances wisely to achieve your dreams. Number 18, handling setbacks and resilience. No matter how skilled you are, setbacks are a part of life. Learn how to handle failures and rejections with resilience. The ability to bounce back from disappointments is a hallmark of successful individuals. We'll discuss strategies to stay positive and keep pushing forward, even when things don't go as planned. Number 19, giving back and philanthropy. As your income grows, consider the importance of giving back to your community and the world. Philanthropy not only helps those in need, but can also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. We'll discuss ways you can contribute to causes that matter to you and the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. And there you have it. High-income skills are your gateway to making money online and achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's all about choosing the right skill, investing in your education, and consistently putting in the effort. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to unlock your financial potential. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning.